Okay, another tip. Mazda. Some Mazda, when you see that the lock built like from two pieces, like two separate pieces, and you can take the lock out, it means that the key code gonna be on the door, okay? But it's gonna be exactly like Nissan, okay? You see like the inside over here, so the lock gonna come out, and I'm gonna show you where is the code hiding, okay? Open that, Conga. Now when you're doing that, try to pull up the lock on the same time that you're turning. Okay, what if you can do if it doesn't work, hold it. Like always give it some help to the lock to come out from here. Let me do it very quick, okay? So that's it, you see the lock start to come out. I'm just doing a flat screwdriver. Yeah. Okay, after the lock come out, now the code gonna be here. Okay, so you don't need like to take the lock out. In some Mazda, the code gonna be down